6:42 this morning. Still watching that tropical wave that hasn't moved much, and that's important because we thought it would start moving west by now, but that hasn't happened. It looks a little healthier today, too. Also not a good thing. Now, for the time being, it hasn't developed, but it's looking more and more likely that is going to happen. In fact, we now think there's a 70% chance this is going to become a tropical depression or tropical storm, maybe a hurricane. So let's talk about where it's going to go. Now, the models are in good agreement, though they've slowed down for the short term. This is Saturday afternoon, moving over the southern part of Florida. But what happens after that? And this is not what we want to see. Look at the huge spread and where this thing is going to be Tuesday afternoon. Is it going to be off the east coast of South Carolina, Georgia? Or is it going to be over in Louisiana, the Houston area? The models are really messy right now. But one thing that we weren't seeing yesterday are these models that are showing it off the east coast of Florida. So we have to keep that in mind. And there's kind of been a subtle trend to the east still. So I'm still thinking that we've got to watch Florida Panhandle, Georgia very closely. But yes, we can't let our guard down Louisiana or Mississippi either. And unfortunately, it looks like this is at least probably going to be a tropical storm. And at the very least, even if it doesn't develop, a big-time rainmaker for the southeast. But notice no models bring it over here, so that is the good news. But that's going to be a big national story in the days and even on into the next week. Now, sea breeze showers and storms, but enhanced a little bit today because of an upper-level low. That's making it more active than a typical sea breeze for today. Now, still, that means the morning hours, there's not going to be much. A couple showers here or there. But once you get to around noon, 1 o'clock, things get a little more interesting. We saw that yesterday. I think it's going to happen again today. And so the peak of activity probably around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. By the time we get to 5 o'clock, things start to quiet down. And then by 9 o'clock this evening, we get a lull in the activity. But then late tonight, guess what? A few showers start to come back in, mainly near the coast. Now, when we look at 1 and 5 o'clock tomorrow, notice the difference. There's 1 o'clock. There's 5 o'clock, not as much. It looks like more of a regular sea breeze, that upper level low gone. So I don't think there's going to be as much rain around tomorrow, but still a chance of rain. And guess what? Chances of rain are going to continue for the next 6 days, today through Tuesday. Same thing's going to happen. On each day, there's slightly better or lower rain chances, but you add up all the rain, there's going to be more near the coast and less out west, but I think most of us are going to see the neighborhood of ½ an inch to perhaps 1.5 inches of rain. And I wouldn't rule out, especially in Cameron-Williston County, a few spots, again, over the next 7 days, seeing up to 3 inches of rain. That is a possibility if you get multiple rounds of storms. In fact, if one storm stays over you for too long, you could get 2 inches in 1 day, but most of us will not. Most of us are going to be seeing that kind of rain over the course of 7 days. But there will be heavy downpours around this afternoon. Not everybody's going to see them, but they will be around like we saw yesterday. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. Highs around 92, so not that hot. Technically a degree below normal. Scattered showers and storms mainly in the afternoon. Winds not that strong unless you get close to a thunderstorm. And then, yes, it will be breezy. Tonight, partly cloudy skies. There could be a few showers, a stray storm around. Most of the night, though, is going to be dry with lows around 74. Can't rule out the possibility of some patchy fog late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Now, so for tomorrow, the rain chances drop, but they go back up for Saturday. And actually, Sunday, Monday look like today. Scattered showers and storms. So tomorrow, in the short term, the driest day, with rain chance a little bit higher on Saturday and a little bit higher still on Sunday. So looking ahead to the weekend, it looks like your better outdoor day for now looks like Saturday. And the rain chances continue into next week. Finally, by next Wednesday, partly cloudy, breezy, looks like a dry day. And guess what? Mid-90s coming back on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. More news right after this break.